Alright, so now we've got Zard in the pool. And that's Robert. Say hi.
Hello. I'm a person.
Yeah, we can see. And this is Steven. Say hi, Steven. Say hi.
Hi. Hi, person.
So we got Hans over on the waterfall. And Zard on the floaty. I think he's pretty happy. What do you think, Robert?
I think he's happy, kind of.
Yeah?
He looks kind of grouchy.
Grouchy?
Yeah.
Maybe you should give him, like, hugs and kisses. And maybe he'll not be as grouchy.
Well, I can't give him a hug. I might crush him.
No, you won't.
I'm a human. Playing with a non-human human. Yes, we can see that. I got you, you wizard. He doesn't seem to like it very much. I don't care.
Don't think he minds. Okay, I didn't say make out with him.
I'm not.
Okay, put him back on the floaty.
What'd you say?
Put him on the floaty.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, now he can get some sun.
TV.
He's getting a tan.
This is a video, and I'm gonna be famous in your video. Yeah, I don't even have a YouTube channel on me. I'm gonna make that. I already have a YouTube channel.
All right.
Don't have followers or videos. This is the lizard. He likes water and food. Eee. Billy? Hey, God.
All right. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thanks, sarcastic man.